Hi friends! Welcome to Ocean Explorers. Today, we are diving deep into the ocean to meet some amazing sea animals. Are you ready? Let's go! First up, let's meet the fish. Fish come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Did you know that fish breathes underwater using gills? Amazing, right? This is a clownfish. It loves living near sea anemones. Can you say clownfish? Now, let's meet one of the smartest animals in the ocean, dolphins. Dolphins are playful and love to jump and swim together in groups called pods. Did you know they talk to each other using clicks and whistles? So cool! Whoa! Look at this! This is an octopus. It has 8 arms called tentacles. Can you count to 8 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job! The octopus is super smart and can even change its color to hide from predators. Next, we have the gentle sea turtle. Sea turtles have been around since the time of dinosaurs. They love to eat seagrass and jellyfish. But remember, we need to keep the ocean clean so they can stay safe. Oh, look who's here, a shark. But don't worry, not all sharks are scary. Most sharks are harmless and help keep the ocean healthy. This is a shark. It's have strong and sharp teeth. Biggest fish in the ocean. That's all for today. Friends, which sea animal was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more adventures in Ocean Explorers. Bye-bye!